Let's talk one-on-one about safe sex. TLDR, don't be silly, wrap up that willy. What's going on, guys? If you haven't met before, my name is Johann, and on this channel you'll find some helpful product reviews to improve your self-care, as well as one-on-one discussions just like this one. So if you're new here, consider subscribing and hit that notification bell before I don't know what random thing I'll do today. So I'm in an area where I am surrounded by hot women. And let me tell you, my hormones are out of this friggin' world. Bro, I'm trying not to be a fuckboy, but this fuckboy tendencies are starting to come out. Like, you can't blame me. You cannot blame me. But then it got me thinking, this is spring break. Well, at least at the time of this recording. There is a 95% chance that someone is getting laid. But how many of them are practicing safe sex? I'm not gonna lie, probably not a lot. And that sucks because they are more vulnerable to getting STDs or STIs just by having unprotected sex. And even worse, some might even become pregnant. Get you that spring break sauce, right? It doesn't have to be like a penis or vagina thing. It could be oral too. Some people don't even know this, but they can actually get infected just by performing oral sex, and that's including kissing. What I've learned is you gotta make sure you wash your hands before you engage in any sexual play. You wouldn't like it if someone nasty ass fingers touching you all over. Like, that's disgusting. And not only that too, but you're gonna be spreading infections, and it's just gonna wash your goddamn hands. If you are doing some finger play, wash your fingers. If you are doing some finger play, wash your hands and wash them good. Interesting fact though, you should not brush your teeth 30 minutes before any sexual play. Doing this causes your gums to tear and it makes bacteria very easy to get into. What I personally like to use, I love to use mints. So when you have that, that nice makeout session and she's like, oh wow, your breath is so nice and fresh. I'll be like, yeah, I know, enjoy the freshness. Just enjoy the freshness. You're gonna get bonus points for that. You're gonna get bonus points because one of the most complaints most people would have is like, oh, this person's breath smells disgusting. Not to mention, but your partner would appreciate that and even compliment you. So if you're into toys, you gotta make sure that you wash them with warm water and some soap. Leave them out there after use, it's just gonna cause bacteria buildup. And especially if you're gonna use it again, that's fucking disgusting. They sell special toy cleaners on Amazon or even like at Walmart. Okay, so on like real talk right now, if she cannot get pregnant, meaning that her tubes are tied or she can't produce enough eggs, that's when you go in all raw. I'm joking. You still gotta wear that condom to lower your chance of getting that STDs. Rubber do break. It's not like an indestructible material. It can break through friction, so just be cautious. Also too, if your partner does not want to practice safe sex, you can tell their ass forget about it. Feeling good for 20 minutes isn't worth feeling fucked up for months or even years. The reason is being fucked. Check out this view. Damn, I'm trying not to bust my ass right here. They have like mini pool sections. And I'm like, if I drop,